Ito na si Sultan Santos De Castro. Oh, sayang. Ito si Superable, nakakuha ng bola. Pass to Narito. Narito, pass to Magnaye. Wala. Si De Castro nakakuha. Binigay kay Santos. Santos to De Castro. To Sultan. Wala pa rin. Ayun, nakakuha ni De Castro. Sultan sa ilalim. Kajong. Sa ilalim, mga paganda. Ayun, wala pa rin. Bumamba sa ilalim. And there's a whistle. Ayun lang. Dumikit. Foul number 22, Superable. Bro. Substitution. Second personal foul number 22. Okay, pinasok ulit nila si number 14, Laha. (26-42) official score. Okay, si Kajong nakakuha ng bola. Eto si Kajong! Wala pa rin! Narito! Eto, nagmamadali si Narito. Oh. Okay, ayan. Sa ilalim, Magnaye! 26-44. Ayun nila. Same ball. 16-second shot clock. Substitution rep. Tawag na kung sino yung papahawa. Pakipalitan na po. Okay, sige po. Back violation. Substitution. Right. 26-44 official score. Carlos Reyes, 4-2. Segundo, natitira sa ating shot clock. Baller, tumira, wala. And there's a whistle and a contact. Foul on number 14, Leham. Second personal foul, number 14.
He had a father and his mother wasn't crazy as shit. And he never trained me to withstand. You can just lazy as shit. Fuck a talent star when the team makes you bitch. You wanna know?
2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. Okay. Sino man nagugutom sa inyo? Meron pang tinda si Tita Course na empamada. Ayan, si Tita Course. Masarap ang kanyang empanada. Intercepted. Ito na si Heballer. Lays up! Wala. Naitapon ang bola. Ito na si Delos Reyes. Ayun. Sayang. Dumikit pa eh. Hindi dumikit. Tapal. Foul on number 6. Third personal foul, number 6. 26-46 official score.
Okay, sadyang kasado
26-48, 2 minutes 20 seconds in this third quarter. Si Bago pinigay kay Sultan. Sultan pass to De Castro. Wala pa rin. Ito na si Delos Reyes pass to Darito. Back to Delos Reyes. Wala. De Castro sa ilalim. And there's a whistle traveling violation substitution. Number 13 out. 1 minute 49 seconds in this third quarter. 26-48. Next game. Underdogs versus Region Hope. Sino mananalo? Aso? O Hawk? Ano ba? Narito? Eto na si Narito. Narito. Trapas, ayun lang. Last touch by number 17. 1 minute 23 seconds. 15 seconds. Ayun na, intercept. And there's a whistle and a foul on number 25. Second personal foul, number 25. Substitution. Airball. Okay, nakakuha ni Leham. Pass to Juanico. Here comes Juanico. Pass to number 25. Intercepted by Ibaler. Munti ka na matapa si Ibaler. Ibaler! Wala. No good. Yun. May pasa. Yun. Nakakuha. Nanggugulo sila. Ito, sa ilalim. And there's a blocking foul on number 14. Substitution ref. Substitution, tawag na po kung sino papalitan. Okay, number 6 out. Third personal foul, number 14. Yun lang. $50 seconds. Francisco, nawala ang bola kay Francisco. 44 seconds. Laking hakbang ah. Eto, si Narito. Wala. $25 seconds. Turn around. Traffic. Yun lang. Nawala. Yun. Di ka na. Juanico for 2. 8 seconds. 3. Okay, ayan. Official score 26-50. Still in favor for the Injasa Data Systems. Brought to you by Power 12. YouTube Computer Systems.